Tennis elbow or lateral epicondylitis is a condition which causes pain at outer side of the elbow. It's an inflammation of musculotendinous junction. It mostly occurs due to overusing of forearm muscles. So basically, due to overusing and repetitive stress, microtrauma occurs at the site where the muscle attached to the bone. After trauma, healing process is started, but due to early return to the stressful activities, healing not completed and re-damage occurs, and this cycle is going on. So to break it, we need to complete the healing process by avoiding the stressful activities. As we know, the tennis elbow is an overuse injury, so give it a rest by pressing. You can use cock-up splint, which immobilize the wrist joint so the forearm muscles rest in a relaxed position. Or you can use a elbow strap, which is easily available. Make sure you tie your elbow strap below the bony prominence, not directly on the bone. In daily activities, you should avoid the stressful activities, just like playing racket games, doing household work which involve wrist joint too much, using hand tools, lifting dumbbells or barbells, or any other activities which increases your pain. The next thing that you have to do is cross friction massage. For this, first of all, you have to palpate the lateral epicondyle. It's a bony prominence at outer side of the elbow, which is painful in tennis elbow. And just below this bony prominence, you have to put some pressure with thumb and perform cross friction massage like this. Make sure it's not just superficially moving the skin, but precisely with pressure move it in a small range. After a few seconds, feeling better, then continue it. But if it increases your pain, then don't do it. Next very important thing is cold therapy. For this, you can use any cold pack or can do ice massage also. For this, take an ice cube and wrap it with a thin cotton cloth or a polythene and move it continuously on that area. If you are using ice cube, then make sure do not keep it and leave it. You should continuously move it. Next thing is the stretching. Make sure don't do stretch immediately after the cold therapy. First stretching is the extensor stretching. For this, keep your arm straight in front of you with palm down and bend your hand down and move it slightly outward. With the help of other hand, increase the stretching force and hold it. By doing this, you feel the stretch in this area. Make sure you should not pull your fingers. Hold it slightly up and stretch it. Next stretching is the flexor stretching. This stretching is same as previous stretching, except this time your palm is facing up. By doing this, you feel the stretch in this area. Again, make sure do not pull your fingers. Hold it slightly up and stretch it. Next stretch is the rotatory stretch. For this, sit with forearm supported and secure your arm just above the elbow and hold a hammer or anything having one side heavy, and then rotate your palm fully up and hold it, and then fully down and hold it. So you have to continue all these things till the acute pain of tennis elbow subsided. Before that, you should not perform any exercises for the wrist joint.